Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best e-commerce platform. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you the best e-commerce platform, which is Shopify, and I will spend today's video proving to you why this is one of the best or this is the best e-commerce platform out there. Now, aside from its very easy, beginner-friendly UI interface where you could find everything in one area and you won't really get lost with a lot of the things that you need to see. For example, over here on the left side, you will be able to find everything you need in this area, so you won't get lost. So let's go and explore its different features to show you why this is one of the best. Now we have here the home page. In this home page, this is already what you're seeing right now. Basically like a notification page on everything you need to set up and everything you need to do. You could click on orders over here. Under orders, like the name suggests, this is where you will be able to find and see the different status of your orders. So for example, someone orders from your store, of course, it will appear in this area. Also, you will be able to find your drafts. The different drafts that you have will also appear here, and your abandoned checkouts over here in this area as well. Now, aside from that, you also have your products over here under orders. In the products, you will be able to either find product to sell, import products, or add your products. When you click on find product to sell, it will redirect us to another page, of course, and it will show you places to find your different products. So basically, product sourcing apps, and it will allow you to do a drop shipping process. You can also see Printful over here, so print on demand is also available for Shopify. And let's explore that later on that path. You can also import products. As you can see, you will be able to import products through CSV templates and other options over here. And when you exit this, you are also able to manually add your products. To be able to manually add your products, simply click add your products, of course, and we will begin the process of adding our actual product. As you can see here, very simple, a typical e-commerce product adding. You will be able to add your title, the status of your product, whether it's an active product that you would immediately want to add to your store or a draft. You could put the description over here, your media, of course, the photo of your item. You have your pricing. Let's say I have 1,000 for the pricing, and then compare to price, let's say 900. So what it will show is that it will say the price is currently 1,000 from the price of 900, or rather the opposite way. The price is now 900. Let's change this to 1.5 instead. There we go. So it will now compare it to the old price, saying that the price has gone down. And you could also have a new cost per item over here. You will be able to track your inventory. In this part, you simply put in how much inventory do you have. This is basically like the quantity. So let's say I have 50 in my inventory. Also, you have your shop location, whether you would like to continue selling out of stock as well, or if this product has an SKU or barcode. You could also put in the weight over here for shipping. And you could also add custom information as well, like region and all of those stuff. You could also add the variants over here, like the size, color, material, and style. And it's a very easy process. Everything you need to do is followed by another thing. And it's not going to be hard, and it's not easy to get lost with this type of setup. Over here on the right side as well, you will be able to choose which sales channels you would like this to be posted on. And you have your product organization as well. And you can simply save this, and then you will be able to add this product. Let's leave this for now. You will be able to also put in collections, check your inventory, check your purchase orders. You can also do transfers and gift cards over here. You can also check out customers in this area, and everything customer related will be added in this area. And you will be able to see your customers' history, your group customer into segments. There's also contents over here. This is more on for your online store, where you could have meta objects definition, a powerful way to custom multi-field objects to your store. And you can also check out analytics for your Shopify, and you will be able to see statistics like total sales, sales per channels, online store sessions, your conversions, everything you need for your analytics. You have your live view as well and reports. And you can also view your marketing over here, everything related to marketing, everything you need to do. You will be able to see it in this area as well. So everything regarding statistics, you will be able to view them absolutely for free, and you will be able to adjust your marketing strategies through this different status or statistics. And when creating your online store, you will be able to actually customize your store as well. It's not a pre-generated store template. So over here, you would have a lot of different themes that you could choose from, or you have your main theme over here where you could customize as well with your different elements in Shopify, and of course CSS as well. You will be able to do that with Shopify. So if you're a programmer and you have your own CSS file, or if you want to customize your website to a great extent, you will be able to do it through coding. And as you can see, there we go. You will be able to easily edit it. As you can see, every part of your page has been already highlighted by header, template, and footer. And you will be able to change your website that you are editing by clicking on this option over here on the top. And you will be able to change the view as well. Aside from that, the best point or the best part about Shopify is the apps. There's hundreds and thousands of apps that are specifically designed for Shopify, and you can see, let's go check out the apps over here. Let's add apps, and there's such thing called Shopify App Store, wherein basically you could look through different apps that will improve your quality of life in Shopify. For example, this one, product reviews. In Shopify, there is no actual feature that would allow you to view the reviews or allow you to have a review part of your website. So wherein someone orders, they will be able to leave a review. That is not a default option. But through apps, you will be able to add that as well. You can also add Instagram feeds, Snapchat ads, and many more. You can also add TikToks, which is very nice. And there's a lot of trending applications, as you can see here. And you can simply check them out, look for a specific app that you want. You can browse them over here. As you can see, you have finding products, orders and shipping, and many more. And another great thing about Shopify is that you could connect it to a lot of different stores. And to be able to do this, usually you would set it up on another platform. Like for example, over here in Printify, where you will be able to connect it as well. So everything you do in Printify, you will be able to sell it in Shopify as well. So as you can see, I already have a lot of stuff over here. So I could transfer all of this stuff and start selling it in my Shopify store as well. You will be able to do drop shipping with Printify. You could also do the same thing with Printful, which has the same process. And so that's basically it. That is Shopify, and that is why Shopify is one of the best, or is the best e-commerce platform out there with all of its features and functionalities, and especially its beginner-friendly interface. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.